Are you tired of guessing what type of ad content is going to work on platforms like Facebook and Instagram? Or are you just looking for ideas and you have no idea what to do to be successful in marketing? Imagine you could peel back the curtains and see exactly what top agents are doing to drive their success on social media. Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you that tool, and stick around to the end because I'm going to share some of the top tips that will help you leave your competition in the dust. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. If you're unfamiliar with us, we're all about helping real estate agents like you be more successful in their marketing so that you can earn what you are worth. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can literally peel the curtains back, see exactly what top people are doing to generate results, and you can either modify it or completely duplicate it and use it as your own. And yes, it's completely ethical and legal. What we're talking about is the Facebook ad library, and I'm going to show you a demonstration of how this works so that you can get great results with your marketing. So with that, let me go ahead and share my screen. And to get to it, it's really just as simply as doing Facebook ad library. If you search for that, it's likely going to be the very first search result that pops up. And so when you come here, you'll notice that there's this box here where you can search for ads based on different categories. Now, one of the things that makes this really unique from our perspective is that real estate has its own category. So you literally can go here and say, I want to search in the United States for housing ads. And you really could leave it like that and just search, but let's just put in real estate. Now, what's happening is the Facebook ad library is looking at all ads on both Facebook and Instagram for home or for ads that are related to housing that have the words real estate in it. And so you can literally go through and look at the ad, look at the copy, the text that is there. You can see when it's running and the platforms that it's currently being advertised on. You can literally see all of this. If, like on this one where there's a video, you literally can just
You remember our reaction when we saw the first.
hear exactly what it is. So it's just a fantastic tool to literally see what some of the top people are doing. Now, with this generic for real estate, this is going to show you everything, but there are ways to be way more strategic with this particular tool. One of the reasons I'm such a big fan of video is because we're putting so much emphasis and time on getting people to know, like, and trust you. That's when they're going to feel comfortable using you as the real estate agent. So the more we can demonstrate your expertise, your knowledge, your personality, the things that make you, you, the more likely they are to do business with you. So we literally can go back here and look at ads that are related to videos. So there's this section right here that says filters. So I can say in the media type, only show me ads that have videos. And so what's great about these videos is you can look and see what are some of the ideas that are performing the best. One of the ways that you know that some of these are better than others is, and this is the next tip, is make sure you look at the date that the ad started. So, like if the ad's only been running a couple of days, it's not really time tested and proven. See, the thought process is if they've been running it for a period of time, the only reason they would keep running it is either A, they just want to keep throwing money at it, or B, which is the more likely conclusion, it's working. So that is one thing that you can do. You can also come into the filters and put when you want to have, when you want this to go back through. So let's say you said, well, I want to find something, early in the year, like let's go back to February 1st. Well, now you're looking at ads that are older. And so because of that, you've got a pretty good idea that if they've been running this ad for this period of time, there's a real good chance these videos are producing results. Otherwise, they just probably wouldn't keep using it. Another powerful way to use this tool is to use it to narrow down certain niches and certain areas that you want to go after. So, as an example, let's say that you wanted to go after a first time buyer. We can simply put that into the search field and come up with ads related to first time buyers related to housing, right? And what's great about these is, again, you can kind of look and see what ads you think are performing best. And again, you can kind of tell based on how long they've been running and the successfulness of them. Again, a lot of times you can just look at the text and figure out whether it's something that is going to work or not. Like you can notice right here, this Colorado first time home buyer page, they've got several different ads running. So here's one about stop renting, start owning, building a house, right? So all of these different tools inside the Facebook ad library are just different ways that you can look to see what competitors are doing, and they're in other markets, right? You can also learn best practices. So as you're looking here, you'll notice that some of these in the platforms section, it says that it's running on Facebook, on Instagram, on the Audience Network, and in Messenger. They're putting it on all the different placements possible. So let's say you wanted to get an idea of what Facebook ads are doing best. So you can come in here to platform and say, only show me Facebook, right? That's all I want to see is the Facebook ads related just to Facebook. So now it's only showing you ads running on just Facebook. And the opposite is also true. If you wanted to see what's working best on Instagram, it's the same process. We basically just plug in Instagram, use that as the filter, and now you're seeing ads that are running on Instagram, right? And so this is the power of this tool, is just being able to research and see exactly what your competition is doing. You can modify it, you can copy it, you can literally do everything that you want to make it yours and cut down on the ads that are not being successful or proving to work the way that you want. The end result is being able to hack the system, so to speak, and produce higher quality results with your social media marketing and advertising. That's the whole point of the tool. So I hope you found that valuable. If so, take a split second, click the like button down below. We appreciate your support. Also, subscribe to our channel. We want to make sure that you're getting great, powerful tips like this to level up your marketing all the time. That's it. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your business. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.